ઓકે, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. બધા મજામાં? સરસ રીતે તૈયારી કરો છો ને? સન્ડેના પેપરમાં માર્ક્સ તમને પહોંચી ગયા છે, પોલીસ પહોંચી ગયું છે. બરાબર, બહુ સારું વર્ક કર્યું છે. બરાબર, આવું જ આ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 4 આજે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી છે. એ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 2 કમ્પ્લીટ નથી, પણ મેં ત્યાં સુધીનું કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યું કે આપણે જ્યારે પાછા આવશી, બરાબર, ત્યારે એમાંથી આપણે વર્ક સુપર કરી લેશી. Definitely perceive chapter number 2. Now today I will start the quadratic equation, the chapter number 4 in your examination. It will be asking in 8 marks, and the classification of the chapter in distribution of marks, it will be carries 8 marks, the 2 marks of objective and 3 marker 2 problems, otherwise 1 4 marker and 2 marker, and total will be coming 8 marks. Total will be coming 8 marks. These 2 adding like these 2 or 2 adding like these 2, 4 2 2, total will be 8, otherwise like this. That depends on paper setter. Okay, but that will be fixed. It will be asking your examination 8 marks. Okay, and it is very simple to say. We are familiar with the quadratic form. What is the quadratic polynomial? Can you tell me what is the quadratic polynomial? Anyone tell me? Yes, please. This is calling p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. We can say this is the quadratic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial is converted into quadratic equation. If we equate with 0, we get this one. And what is this one? We can say it is quadratic equation. What is the basic concept of quadratic equation? Like this. How many power in x? There are the 2 power. Here the 2 power and 1 variable. One variable is only x. Okay? In chapter number 3, previous chapter, there are 2 variable x and y. Don't make silly mistake in this chapter. The chapter fundamental is this. Only you see the x in this. Only x in this chapter. Okay? In previous chapter we have to taking the 2 variable. One is x and another is y. Here only x. And this is the quadratic equation. It means also we mention a is does not equal to 0 and abc is belongs to R. If a is 0, then how can you say it is quadratic? It is not, it is monomial. Okay? Not polynomial. Okay? So you should keep in mind ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If that it is known as the equation is quadratic equation. Okay? Ax square plus bx plus 0 are polynomial equal to 0. This is known as quadratic equation, and h does not equal to 0. abc belongs to R. Okay. Now start chapter number 4.1. But we know that some rules of mathematics. I will repeat the rules of mathematics because we know this. This is the minus minus plus, plus plus plus, and minus plus minus, plus minus minus. It is in multiplication rule. It is in multiplication rule. It is multiplication rule. Okay? It is in multiplication rule. And also you know, this is the addition rule. Addition rule. What is the addition rule? Which one is greater? That one sign we have to consider. I will give you an example. This is the plus 16 minus 10. This is the minus 16 minus 10. This is the plus 16 plus 10. And this is the minus 16 plus 10. And what did you say about this answer? You can tell me? Because we using the addition rule here. Don't make silly mistake. It is not in multiplication rule. Suppose it will be given in like that manner, 16 multiply minus 10. This minus 16 minus 10. And also plus 16 plus 10. And also it will be minus 16 plus 10. Okay? Okay? These criteria follow these rules of sign, and this criteria is follow this rule sign, and it is very easy. It is very easy. कि 16 में से 10 चला जाएगा तो +6, -16 -10 तो -26, and 16 + 10 ऐड हो जाएगा तो +26, और ये -6 आएगा. ग्रेटर साइन है ना, फॉलोइंग. ओके, -16 + 10, which one is the greater? 16 is the greater. What is the sign of 16? It is minus, so we consider that minus. And also we have to add if we get this. Also this is minus. And this plus minus, this plus 16 is positive. We get +6. This is the rule, addition rule. Which one is the greater? That sign we have to take. Here, which one is the greater? Plus is greater, so plus. Here the minus sign common, we get 26. Here the plus sign common, we get plus 26. But opposite sign is given. Opposite means minus plus is given. That minus plus is given. You keep in mind which one is greater. 16 is greater. This one sign you have to take in -6. I will તમને explain કરું છું. બાકી you can take directly without like hesitation of this one. You can easily speak this plus this minus always plus. 16 में से 10 चला जाएगा, 16 रुपीस दिया है तो 10 एक्सपेंस हो जाएगा, तो कितने बचेंगे? +6, like that. Okay, very simple. See this multiplication rule. This is the -116 plus 160. This is the 160, and this minus plus minus 160. Okay, like that manner multiplication rule. Minus minus plus c, minus minus plus c, plus minus minus c, minus plus minus c, plus minus minus, like this. Okay, this is the symbol of multiplication, and this is the symbol of addition. Okay, please, all things you remember in this chapter, then you can easily simplify the values. Okay, now start the fundamental. We know that the perfect square formula, there are given 3 perfect square formula: a plus b whole bracket square, a minus b whole bracket square, and a square minus b square. There are 3 formula. This is perfect square formula, this is perfect square formula, this is difference between 2 perfect square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus b square. And this is the a minus b, a plus b. There are 3 formula. Okay, please write down this all 3 formula 5 times. This is the perfect square formula. Please write down. First term square, last term square, 2 multiply first term, last term. This is the first term, this is the middle term, this is the last term. We have to expand the term. We get a square plus 2ab plus b square, and also a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a minus b, a plus b. Because here this is the difference between 2 perfect square, in between it will be minus sign it is given, so we have to take in one time plus, other time minus. So you take this plus here or this plus here, there is no difference in answer, so you keep in mind these 3 formula like that manner. And I will start the exercise number 4.1. Please you have to ready with this all these things when we have to find the whether the equation are quadratic or not quadratic. At that time using all these points inside of the 4.1. Okay, 4.1 we have to start now. At least you know these all things, then you can easily find the quadratic equation. Now start the sum number 1, exercise number 4.1. The question is like this: whether the given equations are quadratic or not quadratic. I will take the first one sum, exercise number 4.1, please. 4.1, sum number 1. We have to classify this given equation is quadratic or not quadratic. Very simple. First we expand this. First term square, last term square, 2 first term into last term. आ છે ને a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. These 2 inside, 2x, these 2 inside, -6, and this is x square, 2x cut. This plus 1 taking the other side, plus 6 equals to 0. This x square plus 7 equals to 0. The given equation is quadratic equation. Ready sir? Here we compare with this quaड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के साथ कंपेयर करने का। यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या है 1 और x का कोफिशिएंट नहीं है और कांस्टेंट है 7, but if you keep in mind a does not equal to 0, we can say this is quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. First of all, we expand this one, x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x 3 2 are 6, 2x but x square plus 1 minus taking other side that is plus minus 6 other side that is plus 6 and 1 plus 6 is plus 7 and this is x square plus 7. We compare with this one, a equals to 1, a is 1 here, it is does not equal to 0. यहाँ पे a 1 है, a 0 नहीं है और a does not equal to 0 आएगा ना, 1 है वो 0 के बराबर नहीं है, तो this given equation is quadratic equation. બરાબર. ઇન શોર્ટ કે તમને આવું જોવા મળે ને x સ્ક્વેર વાળી ટર્મ જોવા મળે ને x સ્ક્વેર વાળી જેને ક્વોડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશન કહેવાય. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ થર્ડ રૂલ. when you have to simplify the equation, આ સિમ્પ્લિફાય જ કરવાના છે, એક્સપાન્ડ કરીને સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરવાના, એક સાઈડ બધે લઈ લેવાના અને ઈ સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરો ત્યારે બરાબર તમને જે મળે છે ઈ x સ્ક્વેર નો પાવર મળે ને એને ક્વોડ્રેટિક કહેવાય. આ એનો થંબ. અચ્છા, હવે x સાઈડ 0 એનો મતલબ શું કે x સાઈડ 0 શું કામ કરવું? હમણાં તમને મેં ડેફિનેશન નો કહી કે બાય પોલિનોમિયલ હોય p of x તો રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ 0 હોય આ પોલિનોમિયલ ને તો એને ક્વોડ્રેટિક કહેવાય છે ને. એટલે ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 લેવાનું, બધું એક સાઈડ લઈ લેવાનું અને આ સાઈડ ફરે ને બેટા, આ સાઈડ ફરે ને તો એક કેરી રાખવાની કે પ્લસ e માઈનસ 6 આમ સાઈડ એટલે પ્લસ 6 આવે છે. રેડી? ક્લિયર છે? એટલે વાંધો આવે નહીં. નેક્સ્ટ વન પ્લીઝ, સેકન્ડ સમ. x square minus 2x, second sum, x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 3 minus x, like this. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 6 minus plus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Taking other side, x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay? What is this one? Power 2 or value, it is quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. Okay? One more point. અહીંયા એનું કોફિશિયન્ટ શું છે અને બાજુમાં શું છે? તો એની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? 1 છે. એની વેલ્યુ 0 સિવાયની કોઈ પણ હોય ને, એની વેલ્યુ 0 સિવાયની કોઈ પણ અહીંયા આવે ને, 0 સિવાયની કોઈ પણ આવે ને તો એને ક્વોડ્રેટિક જ કહેવાય. જો 0 આવે એટલે 0 આવેનો મતલબ શું કે અહીંયા તમે 0 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો એટલે x સ્ક્વેર વાળી ટર્મ જ ન આવે અને x સ્ક્વેર વાળી ટર્મ ન આવે તો એનો મતલબ ક્વોડ્રેટિક નથી. બરાબર? x ની આખું સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરો ને અહીંયા જોવો ને x સ્ક્વેર, પછી આ ડિસેન્ડિંગ ઓર્ડરમાં આવે ને x સ્ક્વેર x ને કોન્સ્ટન્ટ તો એ ક્વોડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશન કહેવાય. આ ધીસ ઇઝ ક્વોડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશન. આટલું ક્લાસિફાય કરવાનું. તમને 8 સમ આપ્યા છે એક્સરસાઇઝ નંબર 4.1 માં. આ સેકન્ડ સમ લીધો. એ 8 સમ ની અંદર તમે સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરો. સિમ્પ્લિફાય એટલે શું? તો કે એક સાઈડ 0 લઈ આવવાનો. આ આખું એક્સપાન્ડ કર્યું ને, આ આખું એક્સપાન્ડ કર્યું જો. એક સાઈડ આમ 0 લઈ આવી. પછી આને આ રીતે અરેન્જ કરી દો. જો પાવર 2 વાળી એક ટર્મ વધે છે, આ પાવર 2 વાળી એક ટર્મ છે તો એને ક્વોડ્રેટિક કહેવાય. આ એનો રૂલ. નાઉ થર્ડ વન પ્લીઝ. પોસ્ટ કરો. ચાલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, 3 and 4th એ સામા જાય પાછા બોર્ડ ઉપર 3 and 4 બરાબર છે. મારી સ્પીચમાં પાવર તમે સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરો ને આખા સમને અને પાવર 2 વધે ને, પાવર 2 x ઉપર પાવર 2 હોય તો ક્વોડ્રેટિક કહેવાય, અધરવાઇઝ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ક્વોડ્રેટિક. આ પ્રથમ રૂલ. સ્ટાર્ટ. આ એમ ન પાછળ એ પૂછડું જો મલ્ટીપ્લાય, આ અહીંયા મલ્ટીપ્લાય થયું, આ -2, આ મોટું કાઢે, આ એનું ब्रैकेट आप ओपन करावे रेडी ix plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 चलो ix आरे आ को ब्रैकेट minus 1 आरे आ को ब्रैकेट ix आरे आ को ब्रैकेट minus 2 आरे आ को ब्रैकेट आ therefore okay how we know we use the we have to format of therefore because here equal sign is given no we use the therefore sign this is calling therefore and 1 2 and 3 1 2 3 it is calling therefore we multiply x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 x square 3x minus x minus 3 x square बचा में x square part okay this is minus x minus 2 2x minus 3 this 2x taking other side minus 3x this minus 2 plus 3 this minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0 there is no x square term there is no x square term it is not quadratic equation it is not quadratic equation okay same way anu expansion sum number fourth one x 2x plus 1 minus 3 2x plus 1 and here I multiply x square plus 5x okay 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 x square plus 5x this is the 2x square minus x square minus 5x minus 3 we add minus 5x and we are side ma bola lida taking other side taking other side the plus will become minus this plus 5x is minus 5x this minus 6 plus x it is minus 5x we are simplifying and I will into minus 5x છે એટલે આ x square minus 10x minus 3 આમાં x square વાળી ટર્મ છે અહીંયા એ બાજુમાં કાઈ નથી તો 1 છે કે એની વેલ્યુ 1 અને એની વેલ્યુ 0 નથી એની વેલ્યુ is 1 but a value is not 0 so it is quadratic equation okay it is quadratic equation see very simple 2 મિનિટ આપું છું check it that is given in board okay so you have to ready with this all fundamentals of that is given in board please all these things it is given the chapter name is quadratic today we will discuss all parts of the quadratic equation what is the basic rule x in this expansion after all we have to simplify the bracket we get the x square term it is quadratic there is no x square term it is not quadratic if x square term quadratic if x square term is not present it is not quadratic we have to only write in exercise number 4.1 whether the given polynomial equate with 0 is given that is quadratic or not quadratic only we have to checking x has 2 power then it is quadratic otherwise it is not quadratic okay અહીં સુધી રાખું છું બરાબર કરજો okay I will check your homework tomorrow this chapter is a very easy compared to chapter number 2 and 3 okay you are familiar with the third one also here are given two variables x and y and here only the x variable is present is called the quadratic equation okay